In this video, I'm going to show you how to disable autofill logins and passwords in Mozilla Firefox in just a few quick steps. This is a really useful setting if you want a little more privacy, if you share your computer with someone else, or if you simply don't want Firefox saving your login details automatically. If this tutorial helps, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy software guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Mozilla Firefox on your computer. Once Firefox is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window and click the menu button. This is the three-line icon that opens up Firefox's main settings and options menu. When the menu appears, click settings. That will take you to the main Firefox preferences page, where you can control different browser features and privacy options. Now, inside the settings area, look for the section called passwords and autofill. This is where Firefox keeps the controls for saved logins, passwords, and automatic form filling. Click on passwords and autofill to open those options. Once you're there, find the password section. In that section, you should see an option labeled Save and Autofill usernames and passwords. To disable autofill logins and passwords, simply untick that option. As soon as you turn it off, Firefox will stop offering to save usernames and passwords, and it will also stop automatically filling them in for you on websites. That means you will have to enter your login details manually whenever you sign in, which can be a better choice if you want more control over your privacy and browser behavior. If you ever want to turn this feature back on later, you can follow the same steps and tick the box again. So remember, it's open Firefox, click the menu, click settings, open passwords and autofill, and then untick save and autofill usernames and passwords. That's all there is to it. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Firefox tips and simple tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.